What will our urban goods distribution network look like in 50 years' time? A realistic possibility for the future is the development of an underground distribution network. Above ground, congestion in and around our cities and towns is a growing problem. Underground, there is still plenty of space. The infrastructure is built underground. A well is dug, from which a drilling machine drills a hole. Pipes are then forced through the hole. This is a relatively inexpensive method of constructing a tunnel. For an urban distribution system, a pipeline with a diameter of just 2 meters is sufficient. A pipeline system underneath the city would lead to a reduction in the strain placed on the environment and on surface space by a factor of between 10 and 20. The route consists of a number of closed loops, one loop for every 50,000 inhabitants. The underground infrastructure runs from a logistics centre at the edge of the network to a large number of unloading zones in the various residential areas. The logistics centres on the outskirts of the city can be used for cross-docking, direct distribution and rolling stock. These centres are also the points at which the network links up with road transport and rail distribution systems. It is important that standardised dispatch units are used. The maximum height of a unit is around 1.75 metres, and the surface measurements are the same as those of a standard pallet, around 80 by 120 centimetres. The vehicles in the pipe travel relatively slowly, at around 20 or 30 kilometers per hour. The unloading zones are around 15 meters below ground level. Vertical transportation using lifts brings the goods up to street level. The zones come out at shopping centres, office complexes, hotels, hospitals and local distribution centres. Goods then need only be moved a couple of 100 metres at most to their final distribution point. The next step is to develop a national pipeline network for goods traffic, linking up production centres with consumption points. The chief aim of an underground network would be to bring about a reduction in energy consumption, environmental pollution, and the amount of space utilised.